Here's example 3 of long division. What's different about this problem is when I divided, I purposely did not put anything underneath the division symbol. We want to put this underneath. But notice we go from x cubed to minus 1. I need to put placeholders with 0x squared and 0x. I don't have any terms there, but you'll see when we do division, and then I have that minus 1. Now we do our long division. How many times does x divide into x cubed? So x cubed divided by x is x squared. The reason why is you divide this one by an x, you divide this one by an x, and we're left with x squared over 1. So that x squared is going to go up on top. Now we're going to multiply x squared to negative 1. We get negative 1x squared. And then x squared times x is x cubed. Subtract, so we change the signs. X cubed minus x cubed is 0. 0x squared plus 1x squared is 1x squared. And then bring down the 0x. Now we say, how many times does x divide into x squared? So x squared divided by x, I can reduce that fraction by an x. This becomes an x, this becomes a 1. So we're left with x. So plus x. Now we multiply plus x to what's in front. So x times negative 1 is negative 1x. X times x is x squared. Subtract, minus, plus, changes those signs. 1x squared minus x squared is 0. 0x plus 1x is positive 1x. And I'll bring down our last term, minus 1. Our last term we're going to divide into is x going into x. How many times does x divide by x? Well, x divided by x, those x's cancel out, and we're left with 1. So plus 1 is going at the end. Now we multiply. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. 1 times x is x. Subtract, change the signs, and we end up with 0. So the remainder is 0. This makes this factorable. So if you wanted to rewrite this, x cubed minus 1 over x minus 1, our answer is x squared plus x plus 1.